Hi. Did you try to copy some sheets that contain formula? Did you notice that Smartsheet doesn't copy the displayed value? And at the end, you have some sheets with weird symbols? Smarter Formula Loader is the feature that is going to help you copying only displayed values. Before launching the feature, there is one requirement. You need to edit the names of the columns that contain your formula by adding a dash and the words to copy to each one, as you can see here. Then create a new column to the right of your formula column and select the type text, number, because this column here is supposed to receive the displayed values. Then get into SMCC, and click on Smarter Formula Loader. SMCC is going to identify all the sheets that contain the to-copy columns. You have only to run the feature by clicking on Run Smarter Formula Loader. Let's have a look at our sheets. Cool, we have a new column here that contains the displayed value of the formula column. Awesome. Now you are able to copy your sheets without losing any data. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.